The AI that will replace 80% of your jobs by 2030. And nobody is talking about this. What if I told you that by the time you finish watching this video, the AI that will replace your job is already being tested? Right now, I am not talking about some distant future. I am not talking about robots in a science fiction movie. I am talking about software running on servers that is already doing the work of lawyers, accountants, coders, and doctors better, faster, and for almost zero cost. Welcome to Technology Upside, and today this might be the most important video I have ever made for this channel. Let's start with the data because the numbers are staggering. Goldman Sachs published a report that sent shockwaves through boardrooms around the world. 300 million jobs. That's not a typo. 300 million could be automated by AI within this decade. The World Economic Forum says 85 million jobs will be displaced by 2025 alone. And a study out of MIT found that AI has already replaced nearly 70% of tasks in white-collar industries. Industries that everyone assumed were untouchable. And here's the part that should stop you cold. These are not warehouse jobs. These are not factory floors. We are talking about people with degrees, people with careers, people who spent years, sometimes decades, building expertise that an AI model can now replicate in seconds. So, what exactly is this AI? Here's what most coverage gets wrong. It's not one tool, it's not just ChatGPT. It's an entire ecosystem, and the phase we just entered is called Agentic AI. Agentic AI does not just answer your questions, it does your job. Devin AI autonomously writes code, tests it, fixes bugs, and deploys it without a single human developer in the loop. Harvey AI handles complex legal briefs, contract reviews, and case research, things that used to take teams of junior lawyers weeks to complete. Hippocratic AI is already having full medical consultations with patients, and tools like AutoGPT can manage research, emails, scheduling, and business decisions completely on their own. These are not prototypes sitting in a lab somewhere. These are live products being used by real companies right now. And the companies using them, they are not announcing it loudly because they don't want the backlash. But quietly, the headcount is shrinking. You want proof? Look at what's already happened. IBM announced it would pause hiring for nearly 8,000 back office roles. The reason they gave? AI would handle those functions instead. BT Group, one of the UK's largest employers, is cutting 55,000 jobs. AI and automation are filling the gap. Chegg, an education platform used by millions of students, lost 40% of its stock value almost overnight. Why? Because students stopped paying for Chegg subscriptions and started using ChatGPT instead. For free. Think about that. An entire business model gone, not because of a competitor, but because an AI did it better. And again, these are not people who skipped college. These are knowledge workers, skilled professionals, people who played by all the rules, and the rules changed without a single warning. Okay, I know what you're thinking. So, what do I do? Here's the good news. And yes, there is good news. Not everything is at risk equally. Researchers and economists consistently point to three categories of work that hold up. Category 1: jobs that require physical presence and human trust. Your plumber, your electrician, your nurse, your therapist. An AI cannot sit across from you in a moment of crisis. An AI cannot rewire your fuse box. The trades are actually experiencing a shortage, and that's not going away. Category 2, jobs that direct AI. This is the new power class. Prompt engineers, AI product managers, AI trainers, AI ethicists, the people who know how to get the most out of these systems. They are already commanding some of the highest salaries in tech. We are talking 300, 400, even $500,000 a year at major companies for people who can speak AI fluently. Category 3, original thinkers and creative strategists. Not content farms, not copy paste writers. People who build ideas from nothing. People who see around corners. People who create culture, not just content. AI can generate, but it cannot genuinely originate. Not yet. And in a world flooded with AI output, the truly original human mind becomes more valuable, not less. So here's where I'm going to be completely straight with you. This is not coming. This is here. The transition is already underway. And the people who will thrive in 2030 and beyond are not the ones who ignore this. They are not the ones who fight it. They are the ones who get ahead of it. Learn one AI tool this week. Just one. Start with the basics of prompt engineering. Understand how these systems think. Because that knowledge alone puts you in the top 10% of the workforce. Because here is the uncomfortable truth that I need you to sit with. The biggest risk you face right now is not AI taking your job. It's someone who knows AI taking your job. This is technology upside, and the best way to stay on the upside of this revolution is to understand it before everyone else does. If this gave you a new perspective, hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. We cover this stuff every week, and drop a comment right now. Tell me your job and tell me honestly, do you think it's at risk? I read every single comment. I will see you in the next one.